Hey guys, it's Paul. I wanted to just talk to you about accepting me as a Zoho partner. You may have had an email through that says Happy Me Limited has invited you to work with them for the following services, and whatever your Zoho apps are. You might think, who the hell's Happy Me Limited? It's actually my company name. If you didn't know it, my company is Happy Me Limited. So accepting me as a Zoho partner, if you've spent anything with Zoho in the first year, I will receive 15% commission. It's, I'm a referral partner and an official partner, but really all it is saying, yes, I work with Paul Nicholson. So if you're going through my training, you're going through my videos on YouTube and you don't have an official partner, all it does is say to Zoho that I'm working with Paul, and Zoho will pay me 15% commission. If you don't pay anything to Zoho, that's fine too. You can also make me your official partner, and all it will do is allow me to say to Zoho, look, I've got 200, 300 students that are linked to me as an official partner, and then it'll give me a little bit more clout with Zoho to get answers to your questions, to get more information. So I've also put here, there's no extra benefit to making me your official partner, because I will help you if you do or you don't. You will not see any difference in your back end other than that Zoho will send me 15% of anything that you spend. But if you've ever got any problems, then you come to my training, you come to my videos, you ask the questions, and I will treat you just the same if we're partners or not. So if you're already on my training, you will have gotten you may or may not have gotten a partners at ZohoPayments.com authorized partner that has come through and said Happy Me Limited has invited you to partner, and you're like, what the hell? I actually had somebody yesterday, and Zoho put them onto me saying they're questioning what is this, and I emailed that person and said, oh sorry, it should say Paul Nicholson at Happy Me Limited. So this is an email to me as a test. But if it said Paul Nicholson Happy Me Training has invited you to work with them, you might understand it a bit more. So I should have been clear before I sent the link. So what you will get, if you search your inbox for partners at Zoho Payments and authorized partner, you can just click on the link. Or if you're happy for me to be your partner, just send me an email at paul@paulnicholson.com with the admin email that set up your Zoho account. So the main email that's been set up. Then I'm going to show you all that happens is I request, so I've got a test account, I request through that email in my partner area that email address, and it tells me what apps you've got. So I'm going to tick these two and then send request. So that sends a request to you saying it's just come through. Partner, Happy Me Limited has invited you to work with them on the following services, CRM and One. And you will click, I'll have to log out. Let me sign out. You will click and log back in as that. And it will take you to your partner payments page. And it says here, authorized partner, you just tick the boxes and then click map. Submit. Successfully mapped, and you can go to Zoho Payments. That's it. That's all you've got to do. It then just lets Zoho know that I am your official partner, that we work together. And then it, like I said, if I've got 200 partners, Zoho will take me a little bit more seriously, and they might answer my questions faster. You will know through contacting Zoho support. It can be a little bit frustrating, but if I've got more partners, more people I'm helping, then hopefully I can get a dedicated support contact that will give me some quicker answers, so I can answer your questions faster. So then you'll get you'll get an email back saying we are letting customers accept. So I get an email saying you've accepted me, and you will get an email saying you have accepted Happy Me Limited as your partner. So as I say, I really appreciate it. You know, if you're taking the training, if you're going through training, if you're watching my videos on YouTube, everything you do is fine already. I will help you no matter whether you add me as your partner or not. It just helps me fund all the free training that I do, and it helps me get a little bit bigger status with Zoho. So I hope this helps. I hope it explains. Apologies again for people who got confused when they got an offer to accept me as their partner or accept Happy Me Limited and not understand what it was. Any questions at all, fire me an email, contact me on the live chat box. We can talk through everything. This is complete transparency, nothing to hide. I want to make sure that you're happy and that we can move forward together and do great things. Thanks, guys.